In our vast continent, remote area housing has always been an enormous challenge. And because of continued population growth in remote parts of Australia, the Australian Government is now placing a heavy emphasis on the delivery of remote area accommodation solutions. Community groups in urgent need include government staff, mining industry personnel, and our Aboriginal communities, where the need has become critical. The cost of construction using conventional methods in these remote areas is prohibitive due to shortage in skilled labour, accommodation for construction crews, and a reliable supply chain. The obvious solution to these challenges is to prefabricate in coastal city areas, where appropriate skilled labour is plentiful and materials are readily available, thereby reducing on-site labour costs and the impact on local infrastructure. The concept of using recycled shipping containers in the construction and accommodation industry is not new. In America and Europe, there are numerous examples of very well-designed and engineered container housing solutions. Unfortunately, in Australia, the perception of container housing can be a negative one, with examples of bad container housing solutions well documented. China exports full containers to locations worldwide, many of which are never shipped back, resulting in an oversupply of used containers and causing significant environmental issues. Regional projects has been formed to take advantage of innovative engineering and design solutions, using recycled containers which are growing in paddocks worldwide. Like conventional housing, our designs are also a series of square or rectangular modules, using the container as a ready-made living element. The clever arrangement of these container modules into different relationships allows for the creation of a variety of living experiences, including pavilion-style housing, units and motel rooms, to name a few. The architectural layout of our homes incorporates openings cut into the container walls, either for room openings within the layout or as room extensions in the outer walls. The clever use of these openings and the management of space for the internal layout produces an end product that rivals the conventional house, reducing waste space and providing an efficient open-plan living environment for multiple occupants. The end result? A design which captures the residential living environment in an invigorating architectural form. From a structural perspective, the focus is to use the container module as the basis of an accommodation chassis. The container modules are prefabricated and configured to take the designed arrangement of the modules. The openings cut into the container walls are supported with engineered design strengthening members to preserve the structural integrity of the chassis. Once completed, the containers are joined as per the designated layout, ready for fit-off. The addition of other structures to the external facade, including verandas, decks and carports, then occurs at the final destination. As our designs retain the basic container structure, including the 4 external Loctite blocks, and because the modules are not oversized, they can be shipped using conventional container transport. By eliminating the need for pilots, police and other escorts, this becomes a very cost-effective method of transport. Long runs to remote areas allow the transportation of up to 3 modules per load, significantly reducing the per kilometre cost as well as the carbon footprint. The final stage of completion is a well-organised process, with a setup crew already on site, preparing the sub-base ahead of the module's arrival. The footings are prepared and the post and rail substructure is installed. This preparation stage means that as soon as the modules arrive, a waiting crane can immediately lift each onto the rails, eliminating costly time delays. The crew then complete the detailed locating using a pulley system to winch each module into perfect alignment. With everything in position, the final finishing details are added, including internal cover strips, windows, screens and verandas. Add the landscaping, turf, driveways and fencing, and you have an affordable, stylish home in a surprisingly small amount of time. In summary, Regional Projects have developed remote area housing solutions that help resolve the significant environmental problem of used containers, that incorporate clever engineering and design, that have architectural flair style, and that are both construction time efficient and cost effective, all when compared with conventional construction methods in remote areas.